Hey guys, another day, another dollar. Here's our daily today. Anatoly, how are you?
So, okay. Yesterday I was working on the resubmission of the pending transactions that are pending for too long. And today and also yesterday we ran the full test of our crowd sale on the Robston testnet with every bit of the flow. And today we are going to run the same test on the mainnet of Ethereum, not the actual crowd sale, but we're gonna run on the mainnet of Ethereum the test crowd sale.
Great. Yaron?
Hey, so today I'm working on the state change problem in Captain Sky as yesterday. I had some problems in the contract, but now I just continue to work about it and it will be done today.
Okay, is your environment working today?
No, not yet, but it will work.
Okay, great. Hi.
So yesterday I worked on the homepage to prepare it to the crowd sale, and today I'm building the token sale page, and that's it.
So, today we have a special guest here. Lior is joining us for the DailyDAV. So, everyone, Lior.
Hey everyone. So yesterday I was mostly focusing on the marketing channels efforts we're working on, and I also created some tasks for our website changes. So going to be focusing on marketing also today, and probably be reviewing some of the work that Chai is doing on the token sale page, hopefully. And this is it.
Okay, so yesterday I was almost done with getting all the projects working on the Moving.io new domain. It's going to be ready in about an hour or two. And later I'm going to synchronize everything to be ready for the launch on Monday. Everything should be ready. We will start deploying things on a Saturday. So I'm trying to get everything as ready as possible to avoid working on the weekend. So, see you guys tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I've mainly been working on the drone charging video. You can see some of it running in the background now. It's going really well. I'm really looking forward to seeing that complete and live. And that's it for me for today. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. Yesterday we started off the morning with an AMA with the team on Telegram, which was very, very successful, and then did a lot of work around segmenting, building out and finalizing copy, also working on the script for the contribution video, working on the contribution page. Today the main focus has been doing a lot of work actually to the contribution page for the token sale, so that's very, very close to the finish line, so then I can go ahead and shoot the video for that, we can get that live. And then also just continuing to work on just different tweaking of email copy that's going to be going out over the weekend as we live to the token sale, among many, many other things. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.
Hi guys. Yesterday I spent most of the day working on some last minute pre-sale agreements, getting those worked out, and of course prepping for the AMA. That was really fun. Today I will be reaching out to all of our pre-sale contributors to make sure that everything is in order for the token sale. See you next week. Bye.
Hey there, Davers Alec here. I'm at the TechCrunch event of Smart Mobility here in Tel Aviv. Came here this morning, very interesting panels, really interesting startups showing their technological capabilities. From this, I'm just collecting a lot of cards and follow-upping on them later this week. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend, a great day. Bye.
Hi everyone. Today is Stark New Sunny Day. Above me the Ukrainian blue deep sky. It's not talent, but not bad too. Today I'll continue your banners about our Start Token sale. After then I'll make a few changes in our homepage background. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.